LG washer not draining? Clothes sitting in standing water? Before you call anyone, try this. It fixes the problem about 60% of the time and costs nothing. LG front-load washers have a drain pump filter at the bottom front. It's behind a small access panel or door, usually on the lower left side. Here's how to access it. First, get towels and a shallow pan ready. There will be water. Lay towels around the base. Open the small access door. You'll see a round filter cap and usually a small drain hose. Pull out the small drain hose first. Remove the plug and let the water drain into your pan. This could be a gallon or more. Let it all drain out. Once drained, unscrew the filter cap counterclockwise. Pull it out slowly. This is where you'll find the clog, coins, bobby pins, hair ties, small socks, lint buildup. I've found everything from keys to credit cards in these filters. Clean the filter completely. Look inside the filter housing and remove any debris in there too. Screw the filter back and hand tight. Push the drain hose back in and close the access door. Run a rinse and spin cycle to test. If it drains normally, you just saved yourself a service call. If it still doesn't drain after cleaning the filter, the drain pump motor itself may be failing. That runs $150 to $250 to replace. LG recommends cleaning this filter monthly. Put it on your calendar. Same day LG washer repair. Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach, Palm City. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.